Understanding viewports. Our screen can be divided into various viewports. The maximum is 64. However, this is not practical. It's more practical to limit your viewports to maybe 3 or 4. That makes it easier to construct a 3D object if we have these viewports. I like to go up into our help screen, and these viewports are known as model space viewports. So if I type in model space viewports and see what I have, these model space viewports are also known as tiled viewports. And these tiled viewports are called tiled viewports because they're set up like tiles, like kitchen floor tiling, that they go edge to edge and they can be configured. Here we have one drawing of looks like it's a 15-pin VGA connector for your computer. And here we have this tiled into 3 different tiles, over here into 4 different tiles, here in 3 different tiles. We can configure the tiles any way we want. So we're subdividing our screen, looking at our model in various ways. So we have to create these things. So let's go into work with these, and you can see basically that we can zoom into one spot or have it over an overall one in, and we can draw from tile to tile. This helps in our 3D if we're building from one zoomed in tile to another. We also have a different type of layouts, which is typically known as floating viewports or paper space layouts. These are covered in our AutoCAD 2 class, but these floating ones generally are in paper space, not in model space. So we have really these, you can think of them as tiles. So they're known as model space, model space viewports or tiled viewports. And so when we're down in our, let's close this. So we can break this up into tiles and have like 3 or 4 different windows, and they all can be working on a different view of this same object. So lots of people use model space viewports in 3D because it helps them see the object, and very typically we might put it into 4 different viewports, where we'll have the front view in the lower left, the top view in the upper left, we'll have the right view in the lower right, and we'll have a 3D view in the upper right. And that's a very common work method that a lot of people do.